Now, if you're looking for a spacious 4-bed, 2-bath family home on the Quarry in Erith, then I think I might have just found you the perfect property. Now, the Quarry is a great location for families with a school on site. There's a local Sainsbury's and you're nearby to Erith Station, which is just a few stops down to Abbey Wood for the Elizabeth line. Now, if you'd like to come and take a look at this property in person, my name's Aaron. You can contact myself or a member of my team using the details that follow. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care.